My name's Anwen and this is Sunny, and we've been coming swimming every week for about 4 months now. You're not camera shy, are you? So the classes are always fun and they're always full of other babies and other mums that we can speak to, and it helps to get babies more warm to confident.
We recently redeveloped our changing village within our swimming pool to incorporate a state-of-the-art, up-to-date range of disabled facilities, including adding additional baby changing facilities and family rooms to accommodate people of all ages and abilities.
They should come swimming at Jade because we're a very friendly pool. We've got all professional lifeguards and professional employees working here. We try to make every customer feel welcome, go out of our way to help them. We do our best to keep all our facilities spotless as much as we can, that they're enjoying their teaching, and without asking they go out of their way to help the customers and help each other basically.
My aim is to ensure that every child, no matter on their swimming ability, has an option of learning to swim through our Learn to Swim programme.
My daughter's been coming to the preschool swimming lessons since the end of July last year, and she always talks about home. She loves being in the water, she loves going in the bath because of it. So yeah, I highly recommend coming to Flint Leisure Centre.